Okay, these all are the definitions, and this is the general syntax of store procedure. Now I'm going to create one sample store procedure in adventure work. So as per the syntax, you just see create procedure name. I'm creating in adventure works. Okay, syntax as begin, and any statement, either it's insert or update or select, anything you can write. So now I just create a store procedure here. Where can we see? Go to databases. Yeah, adventure works, programmability, and store procedures. Did you see here? See, my example came or not? I mean, whatever I created, right? So suppose if you want to execute a store procedure, yeah, SP, yeah, you simply mention execute store procedure name or same exec. Okay. Now you just see. Can I get it? Can I get results or not? See, 100. I'm just putting top 100. That's why I'm able to see. So this is a general and a simple store procedure I am giving. So now we can see the in depth and all. Okay. So now we are able to understand it how we can create a store procedure. This is a simple one. Okay. As per Microsoft Docs, I will give you syntax. Okay. Now, second, guys. Oh, so basically, you will follow Microsoft Docs. That's why I will give you example. Then we can understand. Okay. Interesting. Here also not this. Some keywords with recompile and all. What we use in real time, I'm going to tell you that's why. So, nowhere, huh? Very good. Sorry, guys, I think I'm not getting. You should be there. Why? Okay, I'm not getting that. So simply they putting yeah, I got something. I'm just copying and pasting. So this is a guys actually syntax from what do you call? Yeah, this is actually syntax from Microsoft. As per Microsoft syntax, syntax for. Yeah, guys, tell me. SP. So what we discussed as of now, create proc or procedure, right? So this part we discussed, right? Schema name dot procedure name. Till here we discussed. As also we discussed. Begin we discussed. And when you start begin, it should be end should be there. That is a basic thing, right? When you start begin, it should be there should be end also there. Okay. So as I mentioned, parameter it should be associated with the data type. I already discussed that one. Parameter must carry any of SQL data types except next and text, image, and this one. So, so did you see this one? So these all are actually options, procedure options. Okay, these all are actually optionals also. So with encryption, suppose if anyone don't want to see your code, when you put this encryption, So they won't see your code until unless you use some third-party tools or some DCA keywords. That is a DBA task. I'm not going to touch, but I will show you how to create encryption. But a decrypt that will take time. So decrypt I can't show you. Okay. It's a recompile, you know, once you put that recompile it, it will reusable and it will be faster. Execute as class, we will skip this, we won't use this one. Now we can give you the syntax as per Microsoft document. Yeah, create or replace. Yeah guys, tell me. Proc or procedure. Yeah guys, tell me. I want to hear you from you. Procedure name or not? So the name. Yeah, now what I need? Parameters. Correct? Param. What you want? Data type. Right? So you can put a number of parameters. So it will accept 1024 parameters, guys. So data type. Huh. What you call then? You write data type. So as I told you, you can put now data type out or output. Okay. If you don't mention anything by default itself, input. That's clear. So if you don't put anything here, by default it's the input value. Whenever we mentioned out or output, that time only it will be output parameter. Okay. Now tell me with you can write anything. Recompile. This one read only. Yeah, read only parameters means maybe you can what you call default parameters we can put right sometimes. We will discuss that. Okay. With recompile or encryption. Okay, encryption. Then yeah, what we call as you can these all are common, you know, right? Select statements. Select statement. Select statements or anything, okay? And end. Okay. So you understood. I'm just giving you examples, okay? Then you can see same thing, right? As begin, SQL statements and end, right? So this is a general syntax. Okay. Just guys, if you don't understand, please try to ask me because it's important, right? So I will explain you. So maybe syntax you can't ask, but once I created while creating, maybe you'll get doubts. I believe that. Okay. So now we can see, you know how to write and syntax and available is there, everything. So we created only simple. Now we can see with parameters and all. Clear, guys? So you can go actually and we can see. So the read only I will tell you read only is nothing but that is a fixed one, we can't modify or something. The definition itself read only. Okay, inside store procedure we can't change anything. Okay, so recompile we write a cannot be update or modify. Correct, cannot modify because we mentioned as a read only. So suppose if I put some read only input as something 414 or something, we cannot pass anything. The 414 result only it will come. Okay. You will check. You will check. Yeah, static kind of filter. The yes, maybe we can tell that we cannot change. Correct. So yes, yes, the parameter name maybe we cannot change. Yeah, yes, that's what. Once we see this one, what we call examples, then at that time we can decide. Okay, I will tell you. I don't give you options more now. So I want to know why read only will use. Okay, clear. So you will go and discuss the what you call examples. Okay. Huh. One by one, I will give you guys first input parameter, then output, then we can see. Okay. Now create, yeah, create proc. Already procedure we see. That's why I'm just creating this one. Create proc dbo dot. Yeah, you can tell me we can perform operation on. Okay, so external lock. Okay, I'm just thinking. Hmm. Tell me. Execute liberty USB product some external lock. Okay. Yeah. Now my procedure is that I want to put parameters. Now tell me what parameters I need to put. I want to the name. Okay, guys. I want to pass this a name as a parameter. Okay. Uh, I can put name. Yeah. Now what is my data type for that? Correct. Right. Okay. Just see as begin. Yeah. Now we can tell me select star from product production dot product, right? Product. Yeah. Where? Yeah, guys. Name or yeah. Tell me name like. Yeah. Tell me. Yes. Tell me. I want to name as a parameter, right? So otherwise, first I can see like yeah. Percent. It will accept or not. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Name. Okay. Single quotes and single quotes. Oh, it's not accepting. It will accept. Wait. If it's not accept, we will see. Okay. Put end. Okay. Create procedure. Procedure name. Okay. Name marker max as begin. Okay. Now we just try to execute. Definitely it will give error. Okay. Single quotes or something. No, no, no. It's like it won't give you. Let me execute. It won't give you a proper result. Yeah. Okay. Exec. So if I hit, it will execute or not? Because I mentioned already this one. It will execute or not? Just check. It will ask parameter, right? Now we can see Hey, what is this? So I don't see results now. Just see because okay, let it be. So where name equal to we can put uh, just I will give you right one. Okay, 1 second. First you will see and you can see why that is not come. Because here everything is a different one. That's why. So I'm telling you alter also how to modify the store procedure is just put alter. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, we are telling this one. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. Cool. So now we just try to execute this. Yeah, guys. So we altered the store procedure. Okay. Number of times you can alter. Only create enumerate. One time only it will. See, I see some results by passing parameters. So like this. Yeah, tell me. Mhm. Okay. So, uh-huh. Okay. So you want to see what is the code inside of a store procedure? Huh? Okay. Uh-huh. What order you? So you can go to here and you can see parameters. Here only you can see. So you go here. What we created now, just now. Second. Just refresh. Yeah. External lock, right? If you go here, you go to here. Parameters. Name it came right. Input. By default it's came. You can see like this. Output I didn't mention. That's why it's not coming. So like that we can see. So I'm just giving you how we can use that. Okay. Uh-huh. That also we'll discuss. A simple, yeah, multiple commas you can put that and you will see that as well now. Okay. Okay. So first try to understand one by one. That's why. Okay. Clear it till here. So we can see multiple parameters. Then we can observe that. So suppose if you want to change only product, what do you call this? We'll take one more example and you can see. I'm creating one more example. So what table I need to take? I will take human resource and we'll see. So I'm taking gender M and so I'm taking what do you call gender M and I want to pass a job title as a marketing analyst or whatever it is. Okay. So now I create one more store procedure for that. So we USP something you can call it human resource ex. Okay. Yeah. Now what I need to want gender. Yeah. Now we can write comma. What I need to one more as a department or what you call job title, right? Yeah. Job title. So job title. Okay. Where care of Max. Okay. Like this we can put it. Okay. One second, guys. So as begin, select star from what is the table name? Yeah. What happened? Okay. So select star from. Right, where we can define in where condition only we can define. Okay. So where gender equal to gender. Yeah. And job title. That's it. Okay. So now, one sec. Now we just try to execute. So commands completed, execute successfully. Now how we can execute? Right? DBO. Yeah, guys, tell me what are my parameters now? M. Yeah, I want to generate M. And what is that marketing analyst or we can take marketing assistant or something. Okay, marketing manager. Okay, so you can see only one. Suppose if you want to put marketing specialist, like this way you can execute. Okay, marketing assistant, marketing specialist. Okay, so like this we can execute. And so this is really reusable or not? We can. So normally if you want change, you go to declare statement and every time you need to change, right? Now it's useful or not? So like this way we can use. So input parameters, okay. So if you want more examples, then also we can see. So input parameters, okay, right? You want to any. Okay, you will see output parameter. Then how can you pass multiple values in single parameters? Okay, okay. Suppose I will give you the tricky question. Once I completed output parameter, then we can see. Okay, so we can see output parameter now. So we will take what is the entity ID, right? I'm taking one more example for output. Second. Yeah, job title is this one, and we want to see one more is output parameter, right? Output parameter, what we can take. Mm, Only one result it will come, that's why. So I'm just taking employee ID. Okay, we can take a business entity ID or national ID number. Okay, national output. Okay, so variable national ID is invalid data type. Okay, I didn't mention the varchar type, so I mentioned the integer. Okay, carefully observe, guys, what I'm trying to do. Okay, int output. Okay, so start from this one. Mm, a gender equal to gender and something we need to write inside. Let's see. Okay, national ID equal to. Let me see. First, it will be. There is already named in. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Tell me. No, we want to print that actually. So while we taking input, we can write like that. Okay. But we want to store that, right? So that's why we need to give one more select statement. Okay. Select. What is our national ID, right? So first we just observe. I'm just only putting some different one. Okay. Then I will give you actual one. Just try to observe. Okay, what I'm trying to do. I'm just putting some default one. Okay. Scope identity nothing but it will give you one or sequence number. Okay. So now we can see when I hit this. So store procedure created. How you can execute a store procedure now? No, we declared what we called output parameter, right? Declare first. That's why normal and this one is quite different. That's why I just observe. Okay, declare. What is our data? I mean output parameter national ID. Again, we need to define data type. Okay, integer. Now we can write execute statement. Okay. Marketing specialist. Okay, national ID. And what is our output? That also we need to write, right? Output as you need to write. What is our output parameter? Just let me know if you are not able to. Yeah, national ID says we need to write output. Yeah, yeah, tell me. OP, we need to mention OP, right? Yeah, 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 understood it. See, okay, okay, USB, USB, okay, this is the correct one, right? Okay, is it fine? And output. Now, what you can write here? Select. Huh? Because I want to see what is output. That's why. Is there no option? We need to put on select or print. Okay, clear? Now see. So nothing is came because I didn't mention anything here. That's why nothing came. Suppose if you put something, alter procedure, the same, right? So now we can see what it will come. Something is coming, right? I just mentioned something here. So like this it will come, okay? So you hope understand, right, how it will come. Suppose if you want to see this business entity ID or national ID number here, again, again we need to write what we call this one or not. We need to write this one or not. Again we need to write. Then only it will come. Yeah, what is that? National ID, right? Uh, so now we can see I'm going to alter again. See, is it altered now? So now we're able to see. But only it's taking only one. That's why I'm not giving example. Suppose he can ask me, right? That's why I put as a one earlier. Okay. Even though I have three records, but what it's coming? Only last record it's taking. Right? So just know the subject, that's it. Okay. So do you understand how we can write and all? That's why earlier I mentioned only scope. Yeah, tell me. So this is mainly you're using for what do you call some sum or suppose if you insert any data you want to see that record count or something like that you will use. Yeah, tell me, you're telling something. So suppose insert statement maybe you won't use, but suppose if you want to insert how many records here is inserted or something like that, you can just put as a row count and output or something. Otherwise, suppose one by one line you are inserting, that time also you can see. Instead of gender, you put employee name or something. You want to retrieve employee ID. What name inserted into that table or something. So, clear, right? How to execute. Suppose declare, how to declare output parameter. So, suppose if you put the output parameter, there must be satisfy or you need to pass some values here. Correct. It's not unlike a select statement. We need to store some data. Correct. So yeah, we need to define earlier what I defined, just select national ID equal to 1. So but now I want to print some data in national ID parameter. Correct? Guys, clear or not? If you're not clear, I will trying to explain. Nothing guys, whenever you put output parameter, same thing you need to, some data should be saved, right? Whatever you want to see, the data should be stored in your output parameter. Okay. Now same thing I'm doing. I'm storing national ID number into national ID. So this is a clear while creating an alter and store procedure. Now how you can execute is again I need to declare that parameter, output parameter. Only output parameter I need to declare. While executing you need to mention that as a output. So suppose if I hit this, you won't see anything because must declare the scalar. Okay. I only see input parameter where I need to see output parameter. That's why I'm using a select. Or else you can put some print also it will work. Clear now? So only one time you can able to visible that one. Print is not coming. See, it came here. But it's not meaningful, right? That's why I'm mentioning select. Right? Clear? See now. See? 3 rows affected and 1 row affected. So now in this example only, I'm going to give you one more example with, we discussed this one, right? With recompile. Huh? Otherwise we can take other examples and that also we can take. So till here clear, right? How we can use input and output parameters. Okay, cool. So 1 second guys, my charge. Green is dull. Okay. So now you can tell me what do you want. You want to see any other examples, so that we can see. With encryption, I can tell you guys. Okay, but I won't give you how to it decrypt. Okay. So this is done. We will see one more examples. So suppose you already created store procedure. You want to see, right? Where do you want to see those? Okay. Just go to here, modify. Okay, guys, right click, modify. Or if you want to see as a create, alter, or anything, you can see here. Suppose if you want to see script as a create, see something came, right? Guys, are you able to see? Hello, is there or not? Okay, so something you just click right click or script store procedure or something, alter, same thing. Otherwise, you right click or modify. See, it came or not? Like this, we can create. Okay, create or we can view. Okay, maybe I'm writing in one single line, but you can write in different one. Okay, so let me. Okay, I'm just what you call beautifying this one. SQL. In real time, we have a number of what we call free source tools are there, Apex SQL or something. Okay. Okay. This is fine. Then what we can see with recompile one you want to see, right? So can we create with the same or can I take another sheet and explain? Okay, fine. So with the recompile, I'm not creating anything. I'm just creating with the same thing. Or we can use that. Okay. The end I just mentioned with the recompile. Okay. Where I'm declaring this one next to parameters, right? Just see same thing. If you hit this is our normal example. So we won't see any what you call performance issue. Must declare. Okay. So like this, we can use with recompile. But now I can tell you encrypt closely observe, but we should not use encrypt in real time, guys. Okay, that maybe DBA can do, or else if it's really sensitive code, then we can use that. Okay, I'm just creating same store procedure, but with the encryption. Okay, so just observe, guys, what I'm trying to do. Just created. Okay, suppose if you want to see help text, how can you see store procedure? See, so what is there? Everything, our lines, everything is coming here or not? Normally, if you want to see any store procedure code, yes, okay, just use the SP help text and USP, whatever your store procedure name. Okay, you can see all lines of items or not. Just copy, correct? See, everything is coming or not? So now I'm just going to encrypt the store procedure. Okay, just see the magic. Okay, I'm doing alter. So here only I'm telling how can you modify the store procedure. Okay, alter. Yeah, with encryption. Now you can see earlier I able to see the code, correct? Now we can see the text for object is encrypted. Uh, Did you get it? Again, if you try to recompile that, just try to observe. Now you're able to see like this, okay? You understand, right? How we can encrypt. So entry question they will ask, we can just mention. So so that usually we will ask DBA to encrypt that data, but we can mention that I know how to create encryption. Okay, I just inform them. How can you do that? Okay, and decryption also I can tell, but that again we need to create some roles and all. Okay, so now clear, right? How we can encrypt and with the recompile. The recompile example is there. Okay, with encryption also this is one of example. So if you want to see the code, this one, right? Clear? Huh? Okay. So what we can discuss now, parameters we see, right? Some okay. So this is a one way. Suppose if you want to create, how you create a lifetime, I will show you. Okay. Store procedure. No. Store procedure. Okay. This is template. Actually, we will follow. Okay, guys. So in lifetime, live, how can we create? I'm just trying to. Author is nothing but whoever created. Suppose I'm creating this one. Okay. This is a general template. Okay. Agachna something. Okay. Okay. Created date. some date you can mention. Suppose today is what is that today's date? 5, right? 2024. Okay, description. What is the purpose of description? Okay, it might be like returns, customer sales or something. Hmm? Something like this. Okay, now we can see the parameter how to we can do. Okay, I I didn't forget. Okay, I didn't mention set now count on. Actually, I need to tell you that as well. Okay, why I use set now count on? Suppose when I execute this one, so I see the result here. Okay, in message, what I see here, 3 rows affected, 1 row affected, right? I don't want to see these messages. For that, you will use that. I mean, any extra messages, it will remove. Okay. So you will create one more procedure, and now you can tell me. Yeah, now we can tell me. We can create one more. Your choice, guys. I will give you choice to you. Mm, yeah, guys, tell me. So you can see if you know giants or just create some tables and do that also. Giants we will see now. Okay, how we can use giants inside a store procedure. Okay, product production dot product description. Okay, you will take these two tables and see product. Okay, yeah, guys. Now, yeah, tell me store procedure. Any store procedure you can tell me something USB underscore. Yeah, generally we will follow like this USB underscore product details. So you guys there or not? Okay. Okay. So I'm not mentioning what you call parameters now. First, I need to check what is the join condition here. Select. So in generally, normally outside they will tell you only 1 or 2 examples and they will simply skip. But actually, we can follow this like okay. This is template. Right click and we can do okay. Production P. Yeah, inner join on. Sorry, inner join product description. Okay, description PD on PD dot or P dot product ID equal to PD dot what is this? Production no China. So guys, you didn't ask me question Naga. Only one parameter we are taking. Suppose if I want to pass multiple values in single parameters, you didn't ask me that. How can you do that in condition? Huh? Okay. Hmm. Lightweight. Okay. What is there in production dot product? Unique idea. But no join, right? Here. interesting. So production dot location product category product category ID only this one. Okay. Product ID is there. Okay. Location ID. So location is there. Okay. Top underscore from location. Location code is there. Okay. Location code is there. Product inventory and location. Okay. Here is the location ID. Here is the location ID. Okay. And what we can see from this table, ID product ID. Product category. Did you see product category? Okay, only these three. Okay. Cost system product description. Already here, right? Product description. So we can't match, right? These two. Product description and high density rubber. Okay. One more subcategory is something like product subcategory. Okay. Yes. Sorry for taking the time. Select top and star from mountain bikes, tourist bikes. Okay. Subcategory. Okay, we'll take this one. Product subcategory and product category join. Then product inventory, location ID, product ID. Okay. Yeah, till 4 we have, right? We can see that one. Yeah, guys, just observe what I'm trying to do here. So I'm just trying to join with the product category. Okay. Select from product category. Where is that? Product production dot product category. Okay. Where is that product category? Okay. Keys. Only one key is there. Okay. Okay. Product area ID and join, right? Join PC and PC dot. Yeah, guys, tell me PC and PSC on PC dot product category ID equal to PC dot category id. Okay, pc star comma ps dot star. So we will take this example, then we can see. Okay, bikes, fine. Second coming, clothing, wheels, caps. Okay, this is coming accurately. We will take columns whatever required now. Yeah, guys, now you can tell me what you can take. Product category ID, pc dot name. Okay, then what we can take, ps dot name as subcategory name. We can take, right, as subcategory name. Okay, and what you can take, yeah, enough I think, or modify date. Okay, from inventories. So that's it. You just check this example, then we can see. Okay, modify it because it's a two, right? ps dot. Okay, okay. Ps name, right? So I'm just taking this one. Where is our store procedure? I'm removing everything. Yeah, guys. Yeah, now you can tell me. I want to see where. Yeah, guys, tell me. I want to see where product. I'm just giving an example with a template. Yeah, anything you can tell me. PC dot category ID. Okay. I didn't mention the parameter, but I will mention now. Okay. Cat. Okay. Category. No, we need to declare that. I'm just giving just. I didn't mention earlier. That's why we cannot do that. Okay. Now we can create a parameter as as integer. Okay. So now I'm just giving you the how can we create with a template. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now created. Now you can tell me how can we execute. Execute. Store procedure name. You can simply put three category ID, right? Three. Let's see what is three accessories or something. Clothing. It's coming now. If you mention two, two coming. Coming. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. You didn't ask me that. So suppose if I put see that also you can see what we'll get. Error. Too many arguments specified. Okay. So even if you put in condition also, just see. Just altering. And that's why I'm giving example. He didn't ask me that. Okay. Yeah, valid only. Now we can see. Why I'm getting too many? Even I mentioned two. Why I'm getting error? Okay. Now we can do one thing. Okay. Sorry. I'm giving you intentionally. I'm giving you this. Just try to understand. Okay. Now you can see. I see conversion error. How can I see that values then? Did you use a function split string or somewhere? Just you go to, I'll tell you that as well. Okay. So there is no function actually. We need to create that. So how can we, what do you call, split comma variables? That I can discuss. So that is actually what you call big topic, not big topic. Actually, I want to tell you in next class that as well. So suppose if you mention multiple values in a parameter, right? That is separated with a comma. Okay. If you want to see the comma values, how can we do that? You need to split string or something, right? String split we see starting. Did you remember that? Yeah, that we can. Yeah, that we can use here. Then it will take as a comma as a separator. Then it will give you. Okay. So like this way we can use. Okay. Anything? Any doubts? So we will take one more class and we can discuss that how can you pass a multi-value parameter by with a separator comma and all. Mm, yeah, I will try to give you more a real-time example as well, guys. Okay. So let's see if you before 2014 we need to write in manually. Okay. Whenever later 2014 they introduced this string split and all. Okay. So by using that also we can discuss. Otherwise, the function how we need to create it, that also I will tell you. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts you are asking? We can see one by one and I can see. Okay. I think if you go to Google also they won't mention this multiple, but definitely I will give you because in a report while creating reports that is important actually. Okay. Reports means we need to pass multiple parameters, right? SRS parameter. So that time also I need to discuss. Before that also I will discuss now. That will be easy for you and we can create intentionally. Okay. Otherwise, see, I'm just stopping. Maybe